Most flybridges in the 60-foot class lose 10 knots when the breeze comes up. The Ferretti 670 holds 28 at cruise and pushes 32 when the weather window is closing. Built by Ferretti Yachts in Forlì, Italy. Flybridge class, full hardtop, composite sandwich hull. 2024 restyling brought a sharper hardtop profile, taller hull-side glass, and a redesigned bow rake. Twin-man V8 diesels, up to 1,200 horsepower each. Top end 32 knots with the optional package. Cruise at 28 knots. Standard man V8, 1,000 engines deliver 28 knots top, 25 at cruise. Fuel capacity 1,004 US gallons, 66 feet 5 inches length overall, 17 feet 8 inches beam, 5 feet 6 inches draft, foredeck lounge with sun pad and table. Aft beach club opens to a teak swim platform. 3 standout features. 1. Knife blade hull side glass, 30% more natural light below deck than the previous generation. 2. Full beam owner suite amidships with walk-in closet and separate head, accessed through a single door to port. 3. Interior moods designed by Ideaitalia, in either classic or contemporary palettes. Owner chooses at order. 3 guest cabins, 4 heads, crew cabin aft, isolated from guest spaces. Galley to starboard abaft the helm with Siemens appliances and stone countertops. Salon opens through the new hull-side glass to a wraparound view. Bottom line, this is the Ferretti for owners who run 80 to 100 days a year. Built to be used, not stored. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.